teacher vlogger, Miss Pai. So I got from the mail my Sephora Play subscription. This is a $10 subscription box and it comes with different beauty products. So I'm excited to open this. So come and join me and see what's inside this beauty care subscription. Okay, let's open this, guys. And oh my gosh, I'm excited. Woohoo! So this is what I like about unboxing, because you get the thrill of what's inside the box. So it comes with a $20 discount card, and it's good for October 15 all the way to November 30th. And what else? This is the bag. Oh, this is the bag, guys. This is the bag that comes with the box. Okay, let's see. I got item number 1, item number 2, item number 3, item number 4, item number 5, and got item number 6. So I'll give you a detail of what's this product is all about. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I got 6 products for a $10 subscription. Details of these beauty products comes next, guys, so check it later. We have item number 1. This is from Smashbox. It is a photo finish smooth blush, a blur. So what's this for? So it's a secret ingredient in any long-lasting look in a gripping primer like this one, which also smooths skin and visibly blurs flaws. So this is a primer, guys. And our second item is from Tarte, this one. And it's a water foundation, broad spectrum with SPF 15, Rainforest of the Sea collection in a 27S light medium sand. So this vegan formula is sure to satisfy your foundation appetite. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering weightless buildable coverage. So that's our item number 2. Our item number 3 is this one, guys. It's a liquid whip long wear foundation blender. So this is a blender, beauty blender, whisked to a light as air texture. This fully coverage matte formula is infused with hyaluronic acid to keep skin moisturized while you wear it for up to 24 hours. So it's a beauty blender. Then we got item number 4. This is our item number 4. So it's a makeup forever, so matte velvet skin. So cake is good everywhere except it's in your complexion. This breathable full coverage foundation. Looks like a second skin, and it's creamy, buildable, and never flaky. So this is, guys, this is full coverage foundation for 24 hours. Our fifth item, guys, I got something from Urban Decay. So this is it, guys. This is from Urban Decay. It's all-nighter makeup setting spray, long lasting. So keep the melting in the kitchen. This setting spray actually lowers the temperature of your makeup to help it stay in place and look vibrant up to 16 hours. So that's really great. And we got a bonus item, which is a Moroccan Oil Night Body Serum. So this is what we got for a bonus item, guys. It's a Moroccan oil. What does it do? Like a little midnight snack for your skin, this overnight serum made it with an antioxidant-rich blend of argan and subaki oil. Works while your skin is in recovery mode to visibly firm and smooth. So this is all the items I got. Am I missing something? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one? So I got all these items, guys. So this is for $10. So that's it, guys. Hope you like what I got this month. And if you're thinking of getting one, check this out and see if it's worthy of a $10 subscription. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.